Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of stereo sound on your Android phone. Ever wanted to connect two Bluetooth speakers or headphones simultaneously? Well, I've got you covered. First off, let's talk about the dual audio feature which is available on Samsung Galaxy phones and tabs. I'll demonstrate on my Samsung Galaxy A tab. Begin by turning on Bluetooth headphones and putting them in pairing mode. Now, on your device, head to Settings, Connection, and Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth and connect to both headphones one by one. Once connected, swipe down from the top to access the Quick Settings panel. Tap on the Media Output button, and here you'll see the connected headphones. Check the boxes next to their name to use them together. Play any music and voila! Dual audio magic. You can even control the volume independently for each headphones. If you can't find the Media Output button, enable it by expanding the Quick Settings panel and selecting the appropriate buttons. Now, for non-Samsung users, consider getting a Bluetooth adapter that supports dual audio. The AMPO Bluetooth adapter is a good choice. Plug it into your phone's 3.5mm audio port, connect your headphone, and enjoy simultaneous audio. But wait, there's more. You can use the SoundSeeder app to stream audio from one host phone to multiple phones, each connected to a Bluetooth speaker. Connect all phones to the same Wi-Fi network, open the SoundSeeder app, and enjoy sync audio through multiple speakers. For a quick recap and more details, check the timestamps in the description below, and hey, let me know in the comments section which method you find the most convenient. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!